Hi everyone. Today we will discuss on the Windows 11 OS installation. So recently Microsoft is going to launch Windows 11 operating system. As of today we are using Windows 10 operating system for our own purpose or business purpose. So hope everyone knows what are the features are available on the Windows 10 operating system. In my previous session I explained about how to install the Windows 10 operating system, and in going forward in next sections we'll explain on the Windows 11 operating system features as well. So in this session I will explain only the Windows 11 operating system installation. Okay, so first we will mount the Windows 11 ISO file using either CD DVD or USB flash drive, and we need to reboot the laptop, and we need to press F12 to boot with either CD DVD or USB flash drive, depends upon your device. And once you boot with the CD DVD or USB flash drive, then it will boot with the Windows 11 operating system files. Then you need to select the language to install. Here I am selecting English as a United States and the keyboard layout as US, and clicking on next. And next page it is asked for two options like install now and the repair your computer. So here I am selecting as a install now, as it is a fresh installation of the Windows 11 operating system. In the next page it will ask for the product key. Here I am not giving any product key. We can provide the product key after OS installation as well. So at present here I am selecting as I don't have a product key option, and once I selected this option it will move to the next page, and in the next page it will ask for the editions like home edition, education edition, pro edition. So here I am selecting as Windows 11 Pro. For these editions I will discuss on the next session about the features of the editions. Here I am selecting as Windows 11 Pro, and once I select the Windows 11 Pro and selecting the next button, then it will show for the Microsoft license page. Here I am selecting as accept the license page. Once I accept the license page, then it will shows the other two options like installing the fresh OS of Windows 11, or you can upgrade the existing operating system as well. So here I am selecting as custom installation, as because we are installing new Windows 11 operating system. So once I select as custom install Windows only, then it will shows the drives which are installed on this laptop. So here it is showing as 32 GB. So first I need to create a partition for this drive. So here I need to click new button. So once I click on new, it will ask for the size. So how much size you want to provide for the Windows 11 OS installation. So here I am providing as total size, that is 32 GB, and clicking on apply. Once you apply the option, then it will create another partition showing as 31.9 GB, and the another partition is a system reserved. So here I am selecting as partition 2, where I need to install this operating system, and I am selecting as next. Once I click on next, then it will start the Windows 11 OS installation files, as it is similar to the Windows 10 OS installation. So post installation will be different while comparing to the Windows 10 OS installation. The only difference is like the steps will be similar, but the GUI will be different after this installation is completed. Okay, so once it is installation is completed, then it will boot with the Windows 11 operating system, and it will show the options like the same option where we see in the Windows 10 OS installation, that is you need to select the country, but here we see the GUI is different. So here I'm selecting as United States, and the next option we need to choose the keyboard layout. So here I'm selecting as a US keyboard, and if you want to add another secondary keyboard, then you can add it, or else you can skip it as well. And once you skip it, then it will ask for the another two options, that is for personal use or for work purpose. Here I'm using for personal use, so I'm selecting an option as setup for personal use. And once I selected this option, the next button will be show here, and once it is enabled, then I need to click on next, and here I need to provide a mail ID. So you can provide any mail ID associated with the Microsoft, either it is Outlook or it is an Hotmail account. So once I provide an mail ID and the password, then it will ask for to create a PIN. So this PIN is for a security purpose to enter into the operating system once it is installed. So here I am providing as a PIN. Yeah, you can by default it will ask for the 4-digit pin. If you want, you can include the letters and symbols as well by enabling the checkbox option below on this. And once I provide the pin, then click on OK. Then it will, in the next page, it will ask for the privacy settings. So in the privacy settings, you can enable the location, find my device, diagnostic data, and the tailored expense and the advertising ID if you want, or else you can disable as no, and you can accept this window. Once you accept this window, then it will goes to the next window, and it will ask for some other options like gaming, creativity. So it depends upon your requirement. You can select that option, and it will install the appropriate applications as well. And suppose if you don't need anything, then you can skip it, and you can perform later as well after OS installed. So here I'm selecting as skip option, and once I skip option, then it will goes to the another window, and it will ask for like saving the files. So either you can save the files directly to the OneDrive. Suppose if you have an account in the Microsoft and having a full space available, or else you can store your files in this device only. So here I'm selecting as saving the files in this device only, and pressing next. Once I click on next, it will configure all the settings which we have provided, and it will install the Windows properly. Once Windows is installed, it will show the my computer page. So here, so by comparing to Windows 10 operating system, the GUI looks different. Like we have so many icons available on the my computer as well, different icons, but the options will be the same, remain same. So thank you. So in next section, we'll explain on the features which are available on the Windows 11. Thank you.